Hello everybody, my name is Orkeltron and I'm currently on a Green Line metro train on its way to Alvik. I don't think it knows it's a metro train though, because for some reason it's really high up on a bridge, and they are usually underground from what I've heard. Anyways, today I will be checking out the Stockholm air raid sirens, and I will be doing so from a very cool place. You see that bridge over there in the distance? Yes, I will go on that bridge so I get a good view of the siren, because as you are all aware, sound is visible to the human eye. I think we are approaching our destination very shortly. I hope you will enjoy the video.
Spårvägstrafiken på
So we have now arrived at the bridge that I pointed out earlier, and you might recognize it as the bridge where I declared war on the Netherlands or something. So that was pretty interesting. Today we are here for an entirely different reason, as we hopefully are about to see. It is very exciting. That's a very loud bird. I wonder if you can hear it through my epic microphone that is on my epic phone that is in my epic hand. You know, my hands are pretty cool and real. They're like hand and hand stuff. I think that's pretty sick, man. Whopping Gangnam Style. Anyways, the time is currently 14:56. According to the sign in the metro station, the stupid alarm should be sounding in about 4 minutes. So let's see if we can hear it. Today it's not as windy as last time, and there is ice in the water, as you can see. It's kinda like... Whoa. Anyway, the ice in the water, you know how like in the desert, when the sand like becomes like crumbly because it's like water and then it like cracks up? Yeah, that's basically what happened to the ice here, except ice is like the opposite because it's wet. So it's like wet desert or something. That's the conclusion I have come to. Pretty cool, I think. And this island, by the way, that's the Fat Essing, and I think it's called in English. The alarm just started sounding. I don't know if you can hear it. It came from over there. Look, there is the bridge we went on before with the metro. That's so louder than I remembered it. Hey, look, a bird. Let's go say hi to it while the air raid siren is on. You know, this could be a perfect opportunity for an enemy to invade Sweden. You know, as everybody is thinking like, oh, it's probably like a drill or something. And then boom, it's like not a drill. I think that would be pretty intelligent. Anyway, as I mentioned, here is the Fat Essing. This is where like all the rich people or something live. I don't know, I don't live here. I don't live here, as I said. Anyways, I can hear the big horn. It's very loud and cool. I wish I could like find exactly where the horn is so I can go up and put my ear against it, because I wanna see how loud it is up close. Look, it sounds like there is another horn over in that direction. Maybe I can find it. What is that rumbling noise I hear coming from behind me? Oh, it's just a tram. The tram is running. It's going to Fat Essingen station, which is the station I will be traveling home from. I could have actually taken that tram. I know I missed it, that's so sad. But anyways, I'm pretty happy because I got to hear the air raid siren. You know, the air raid siren here in Stockholm actually has a name. It is called Hese Fredrik or something. I don't know why it's called that, but I think it means something along the lines of Fat Throat Frederick or something. I don't know, I can't translate stuff. You do it yourself, Hese Fredrik. I think it ended now. Oh, that's so sad. I wanted to find the horn. I was expecting it to go for much longer. Well, anyways, that was pretty cool, I think. I realized something. We're like still pretty high up and we're like next to this building, and there is the train station right there. It's pretty high up. I wonder if the elevator that is right there, you can see it here, goes down all the way to the ground by the water. I think that would have been pretty cool. But you know, that's only my opinion. So yeah, French people, you know, right? Like there is a parking lot underneath the tram stop. Maybe people like park their cars because they drive to the station and then forget, like, oh yeah, I was supposed to take the train today. And then they have to park their car there or something. I don't know. Maybe that's why. I think it doesn't make much sense to have parking there though. Whoa. That's just an abyss next to, like, between the parking lot and the wall of the mountain. I wonder how deep it is. I could probably jump there and like hurt myself or something, but I won't do that for obvious reasons. Anyway, this is it started again. That's so cool. Anyways, there is my house reveal, guys. It's pretty hidden. It's very nice. Anyways, I hope you can hear me over the alarm, but thanks for watching, and I'll join you guys sometime in the future, hopefully. Goodbye.